In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Atlassian Intelligence with Trello. We'll walk through how to use Trello's built-in writing assistant powered by Atlassian Intelligence to quickly create clear, professional card descriptions without starting from scratch. Begin by opening Trello and heading to your boards view. This is your central hub where all your projects live. From here, you can decide whether to start fresh or use an existing space. If you want a blank canvas, click the Create button at the top to make a new board. If you already have a board set up for your work, simply open it from the list and we'll use that. Once you're inside the board, open a card. Any card will do. Choose one where you want to improve or draft the description. The card view is where teammates align on context, so it's the perfect place to leverage the writing assistant. In the card, find the description section. This is where you normally add details about the task, scope, or background. Click into the description area and select Add a more detailed description. That expands the editor and gives you more room to work, which makes it easier to draft and refine your content. Now, look for the writing assistant and click it. This opens Atlassian's AI helper directly in the card, so you don't have to leave Trello or switch tools. Think of it as your on-demand writing partner. It can help you clarify ideas, clean up language, and turn rough notes into polished, shareable text. Start typing in the assistant to describe what you need. You might provide a short brief of the task and ask for a clear description, request a concise summary of the goal and deliverables, or ask it to improve readability and tone. The more specific you are about what you want, the better the result. Include any key context such as timelines, stakeholders, or constraints, but avoid pasting sensitive information. If you already have messy notes, paste them in and ask the assistant to organize and refine them. Once the assistant drafts content, read it with your team in mind, tweak any phrasing, add project-specific details, and make sure responsibilities and outcomes are unambiguous. When it captures what you need, bring that text into the description and save your changes. If you don't see the writing assistant, it may depend on your workspace settings or plan. Features can evolve, so the exact labels or options might look slightly different, but the flow remains the same. Open a board, open a card, expand the description, use the writing assistant, and type what you need. That's how you use Atlassian Intelligence with Trello to write faster and communicate more clearly.